Got my LS 5.3 sitting over here. Got my little turbo 350 transmission. Got my engine stand. Got everything I need, man, for the most part. I'm ready to start my teardown. Just gotta go find me an engine shop to get some stuff done. If I need to, like I want to get them heads ported. Maybe get some new valves on there. Valve springs, new cam bearings. So, let's see if I can go find me an engine shop. The crank's sitting down there. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the process. So I'm out here on my LS research tour, trying to get all the info I can get on different LS setups. You know, if you've seen my last couple of videos, you pretty much caught up on what I'm working on right now. I'm building my 1978 Chevy EL Camino, and I got me a 5.3 LS engine. I'm finna start my teardown real soon, so make sure y'all stay locked in with that. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe now and like this video. I am currently on location. I'm up here at an engine shop. It's called Motor City Solutions. They got some old schools inside I see too, so we're finna go up in here. I got some questions. I want to see what they're gonna charge me to do some motor work. I want to hot tank my engine, maybe get the cam bearings changed out, maybe get my heads ported, new valve springs put on, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go up in here, try to give me some estimates, man. Look around, see what they got up in here. I think I see a GTO or a Charger, one of them in here, man. So we're gonna go ahead and get some good content for y'all, man. It's the process, baby. The process continues. Let's get to it. Motor City Solutions. Let's see what's going on inside of here. Oh man, look at that. It's a Charger. That boy is clean too, man. They got some stuff wrapped up. Look at them hot rods. I don't know what that is, but that boy like this. They look mean sitting over there.
Hi there.
Hello, how you doing?
How are you?
Pretty good. I'm here to get some information. Are you like an engine shop or just like a full?
I have restorations. Like we do a lot of restorations and paper. Engine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm you're not being on camera, like YouTube channel. I'm getting some footage for.
I don't want to be, but
okay. But I'll record as we're talking right now. I got a 5.3 engine. I wanted to get some work on. Hot tank and maybe some cam bearings installed. Maybe some head work.
let me see if Dave's available. Okay. I'll have him come up and talk to you.
Oh, they got some cars back there. Wow. Okay. There's some guys out here spending the bag. They're putting in serious work. Out here working, man.
Dave will be right with you.
All right, thank you.
They do our machine work over there.
Okay.
That's where they do our machine work. Yeah.
Well, that's where I want to go first.
Yeah,
And then,
yeah. Yep.
Probably go from there.
Yep.
You, so interior work, dyno?
They don't do dynos.
Okay,
No.
no dyno work?
They do. They have an engine dyno over there.
Okay.
They don't have one that where you do it in the car, but they have an engine dyno.
Okay. All right. Well, let me go over there. That's why I meant to go. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Sure.
Wrong place. Well, they got some nice stuff sitting up in here. I'm supposed to be at fast time. Let's go over to fast time. See what's good up there. All right. Now I think I'm at the right place. Complete engine machine shop. Fast Time Racing. Let's go up in here and see what's good. How you doing? Hey, how's it going? Good. Pretty good. I'm gonna get some information on getting some motor work done, engine work.
Okay.
I got a YouTube channel. If you don't mind me recording some of this process for my channel. You okay with that?
Oh, she did that, Keith. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, okay.
So I just want to get an estimate.
You have a card for your YouTube channel?
I didn't bring one. I got my shirt on. It's the channel name right here.
Okay. Eprofitdetroit?
Eprofitdetroit.
Okay.
The process.
It's only fair you're taking my picture, I can take yours.
So I got a 5.3.
Okay.
And I want to maybe get a hot tank, get some new cam bearings thrown over in it. You do head work here too?
We do everything in-house except for grinding crank and balancing. Those are sent out. Everything else we do pretty much in-house. Yeah, we can do that in-house.
Okay, so I thought about getting that done as well.
Yeah,
I just want to get like a whole estimate on paper, basically.
The easiest or the best way is on our website.
Okay.
On the main page is up along the toolbar there. You will see it says engine quote. You fill that out, then my quote guy, that gives them all the information, what you're trying to build. If you're doing gas pump, if you're doing racing, type of transmission, type of torque converter, stall point, then we can say, okay, this is what we recommend for what you got.
Okay.
Then we agree on that quote, and once you bring us the block and everything in, we'll give it a final evaluation to make sure that what we quoted you, we didn't find something with your block. Hey, wait a minute, we pressure tested, you got a crack, or we're seeing something that we didn't know anything about. And then if everything matches what we talked about, we can go forward. If we see something, we'll give you a red flag right there. Hey, wait a minute. We didn't understand, or we thought it was in better condition, or whatever the case may be, before we tie up a bunch of money and then come back to you and say, oh, by the way, you need another $200, another $300 because this had to be done. But if the best of our ability, we're going to tell you up front, this is from start to end what it's going to cost you.
Understandable.
There's going to be little things, maybe an extra set of hardware for something we didn't plan on, but we're going to try and capture all the big components, the stuff that's going to add up to the thousands of dollars. Get that up front so you know what you're building.
Okay. So I know what I want to get done, basically.
Right. And on the website, it has a block there where you can put a message that you can say, hey, this is my intentions, and this is what I thought I wanted to do. Does this all go together? All the pieces of the puzzle go together. Okay. Hang on one second.
No problem. The crank sitting down there. That's the hot tank over there. So they want me to go on their website. Do the quote online.
Hello.
I had some heads.
Yep.
I mean, man, building cars costs money, and these guys spending it. They're putting that work in, getting ready for the season. I see a beast sitting over there in the bag. So basically what I'm doing, I'm building me a 1978 El Camino.
Okay.
I'm just trying to show everybody the process I go through, the whole step from in the engine. I bought the engine from used from Glenn's Auto Parts. Okay. Out of an 01 Tahoe. Okay. I'm gonna do a breakdown myself. I want to get the actual engine work done. Basically a basic rebuild from the bottom end.
Kind of a refresh, but maybe step it up a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with a different cam.
Yeah, so that's what, when you fill out that form, and we send it over to my quote guy, that's what he's going to look at is, well, the bare minimum, just to refresh it, is going to be this much. If we put it in a cam that doesn't drive you to get new heads and new springs and everything else, we can get you a little bit better sound, maybe a little bit of horsepower.
Yeah.
But it isn't a big domino effect that says, okay, when you do this, now you got to do this, and we got to do this.
And that's
we
my thing,
can do a little bit just to say, hey, it's a little bit better than stock, but it's not over,
that's my goal.
over the top.
I want to still use the stock heads.
Yeah, you want to
maybe
be
get them ported a
drivable,
little bit.
and all that, pump gas, drivable,
Yep.
that type of thing.
Yep. Okay.
So by filling out that form, that gives us the tools we need to help come back to you and say, this is what we could do for you.
Okay. Fair enough. I was hoping to hear some kind of number just to get like the heads ported and new valve springs, valves.
Yeah.
Just a general idea.
Just on the head side of it?
Just on the head side of it.
Now you're saying porting. That all depends on, there's different types of ports that you need to do. A normal valve job, if we don't have to do guides and stuff, just disassemble, clean, do the valve seats and valve stuff. It's $475, that's cleaning up the heads and everything, is that. Now we get it down, you got some bad guides we have to replace or something like that's additional. But as far as the head side of it, that's where you start at. Now porting, they say we'd have to see them and say how much labor. Because it's not as simple as the valve job where it's pretty much cut and dry. You know it's going to take this. Depending on how much porting you want to do, how much time it takes. It's kind of like, in some respects, it's a taxi meter. It's labor involved. It's not. I can't say it's only going to take us this much time to do it because every time's a little bit different. And you want to take your time.
So if I go on the website and put in, I'm trying to get as much horsepower as I can out of this stock head. With the corresponding cam upgrade to match the heads. I might do a EFI sniper
upgrade
car for a barrel. With the dual plane intake. So that kind of setup.
And see all that stuff, and that'll also help us tell how much porting may need to be done to match up to that intake. And they'll be able to tell you, is it worth it? What are you going to gain by doing this, that type of thing? Because they've built the stuff before, possibly. They'll have some track record. We've got engines that we run on our dyno. They can play that into.
That was my next question, dyno testing. I for sure want to have it dyno tested to see where my bottom end is when we get done with the whole, whole build.
And we're working on upgrading our system to do fuel injected and everything. So, and that'll help, and you get a nice printout and everything like that. So. We're kind of a one-stop. The only thing is we don't take them in and out of the vehicle. But, during the dyno,
I'll get it here for you.
And we're able to do a little tweaking. We'll get your timing all set and everything like that when it's on the dyno.
Perfect. So I guess it's up to me now. Go sit down and see what I want to get done.
Start with that. Get the hooked up with our quote guy. And start that talking up and back and get it dialed in and see what we can do for you.
Well, I've been hearing good things about you, so.
Well, we're trying.
All right. Y'all putting that work in. All right, man. What was your name?
I'm Keith.
Keith?
Yep.
Okay. All right, well. You see my channel.
All right.
All right, so I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and do the first step. And then
start with that. Let's see where we need to go and what we can do for you.
Okay. All right, sweet. All right,
sounds good. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. All right, so he wants me to go back. They do all their quotes online, basically. So I got to know what I want to have done. So I got to go home and sit down and get everything written out. Because again, my plan, I'm thinking I want to do as much as I can myself. I'm going to do the tear down and get a good look at the bores and see if I should have the bores rehoned and maybe do new new piston rings. Look at the cam bearings. There's some of the bottom end work. If it looked good, I might not worry about it, but I definitely want to get the heads, something done to the stock heads, so I ain't got to worry about buying me no new heads. I've been online. Most of the heads are on back order anyway. So it's like, if I can get my heads just machined and just run my factory heads to get a little more horsepower out the gate, I'm going to go that option. So I'm going to go home and hop on the computer, get some of this stuff figured out. But again, this is the process, man. I'm showing y'all every single step. I'm down here at Fast Time. I'm gonna show you every single step I'm going through. I know it's cool. Y'all want to see sometime the car getting worked on and then just finished. Like, here it is. But nah, man, I'm gonna show you every little thing we got to go through to get this kind of work done. So that's my goal. So this gonna be a short video, I guess, but still, man, the process continues. Make sure y'all stay tuned in. I still want to go look at 2 more engines that my boys have put together on their own. They do-it-yourself campaign. So stay tuned in for that. And I'm starting my teardown soon. My birthday, it's my birthday week, man. So I'm about to kind of, you know, be enjoying myself a little bit. But I'm gonna try to keep these videos coming. And stay tuned. I might even drop me a little video birthday. I mean, a little birthday video to show y'all how your boy Eprofit live out here, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned in with me. Like I always say, man, make sure y'all like this video, share it, leave me a comment, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know, baby. It's a LS SWAT resource tour. Let's get to it.